Wear a mask, sanitize your hands, practice social distance. Your health is important.
Hi guys, I'm Lakshit. Welcome to Just Arduino Things, only on TechnoWizards India. First of all, a happy new year to 2022. And in this video, we're going to see about gas sensors. Okay, let's go into the project.
Gas reduction using MQ6 sensor. Okay, let's start. So the components required are MQ6 gas sensor, an Arduino board, ABC bus cable, jumpers and breadboard if necessary, and LED or processor for output. So the MQ6 sensor has tin 4 oxide in it, where the current passes through the sensor and the electrons try to make contact with the clean air oxygen, but the atmospheric gas is bound with the oxygen. Based on this value, a ppm value is generated. So let's assemble. So now we have an Arduino and MQ6 sensor. You can see 4 pins in the board and a potentiometer to adjust, some jumper wires to connect a male female jumper wire, and if you want you can also add a LED or a buzzer. So these are the connections we need to make on the board. 5V to 5V, ground to ground, data to any digital pin except the TXRX pins D0 and D1, and any analog pins. Since we have many grades of gas sensors, this is one among the gas sensors which is working. We'll be also working with other gas sensors and making a video of it too. Hope you like the video also. And do let us in the comments of which videos we can put in the YouTube channel, or about the memes that we have posted right now in this video, and also in the Instagram page. Actually, can you notice I have made something here? Okay, let's wait.
என்ன தலைவரே, all perfect, என்ன problem? ஐயோ தலைவரே, கன்ஃபியூஸ் ஆகாதீங்க, டென்ஷன் ஆகாதீங்க.
முண்டா இன்னும் கனெக்ட் ஆகலடா.
தலைவரே, 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 தலைவரே.
Okay, this was intentional and just to make you laugh. So I've given the connections correctly. As you can see, the board is also lightened up. So let's go to the code part. But before that, let's know about Industrialist STEM Robotics, a one-of-a-kind STEM education center which focuses on offering global STEM education to our next-gen kids. Kids from all age groups have something to explore at this center. They are offering STEM solutions to bridge the gap between theoretical learning and practical understanding. Adhering to the new education policy, they teach coding with hardware. Coding will be taught from basic coding cards to more challenging levels such as Python programming. They offer STEM lab, electronics lab, and the gadget maker lab, other innovation programs. A stepwise approach to teaching robotics. Kids will gradually be exposed to various aspects of robot prototyping, which includes designing, modeling, and programming using microcontroller and graduate electronic modules. They are also offering virtual online workshop under STEM, electronics, and robotic categories. You can also enroll through logging into website www.brickquest.in or WhatsApp to 9150320784. Or you can also join through this Telegram community, Brickways Maker Club. The code for this project is in the description. Please have a look on it. As you can see, the ppm value will increase when I switched on the gas from 100 something to 200 and all. So that's the value. It is the analog value, and for digital it's in the code. So follow the connections to get output from an buzzer or an LED using the digital.